Example 2, okay? We need to, step 1 says solve for y. I need to get the y by itself. This one has more steps. So if you remember, we circle the y and its coefficient. We get rid of what's attached to the circle. It's a 2x. It's positive. How do I get rid of a plus 2x? I minus 2x. On both sides, it hangs out in space because this 8 doesn't have an x. They're not like terms. These go away. Bring everything down in the right order. So the 4y comes first, then the negative 2x, then the positive 8, because we need this in y equals mx plus b form, okay? Now, the y still isn't by itself. Don't forget and think you're done. Now you got to get rid of the 4. You're going to divide every single thing in this equation by 4. So now I have y equals, I'm going to separate the fraction. It's negative. 2 over 4 is the same as 1/2. And then the x. 8 divided by 4 is 2, and it's positive, okay? So here's my equation. Now you need to find what's the m, what's the b, right? mx plus b. So my m, my slope is negative 1 over 2. So for a negative slope, I'm going down and to the right, or I could go up and left. Either one of those will give me a negative sloping line. And then my y-intercept is positive 2. Remember, put the y-intercept on the graph. Go to positive 2, put a point. Starting from that point, use your slope. I'm going to go down 1 and right 2. Again, down 1, right 2. Or you could have gone up 1 and left 2, up 1 and left 2. It's all the same line. Get comfortable. Sorry, I did not do that well. Get comfortable going either direction, okay? Sometimes you might have to go a certain direction because you don't have room on the graph like our last one. So that's our second example. Now I want you to try to work through the entire practice problem 1 and 2 on your own, and then check your work with the video. But try it by yourself first.